This is Julie Bancroft, and I invite you to call or text me anytime at 541-680-1484. I look forward to working with you. This beautiful, tastefully appointed one-level home is in Cooper Creek Estates, a neighborhood of newer homes overlooking Sutherlin. Enjoy the open floor plan with a gas fireplace and built-ins in the living room. The kitchen has an eating bar open to the great room, granite countertops and Whirlpool stainless appliances, including a gas range. Step out your slider and enjoy beautiful sunsets from the 12 by 56 deck.